Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Adobe Premiere Pro for HDR to SDR conversion, complete guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the Creative Cloud section of the site. Look for the option for Adobe Premiere Pro. Click on the Get Started button. You will be directed to a subscription plans page. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. If you are a student or teacher, check for discounted rates. Once you select a plan, click on the Buy Now button. You will be prompted to sign in or create an Adobe account. Fill in your account details if you need to create a new account. After signing in, provide payment information as requested. Review your order and confirm your purchase. Adobe Premiere Pro will begin downloading automatically after purchase. Once the installation is complete, launch Adobe Premiere Pro. Now that you have the software, open a new project or an existing one. Import the HDR footage you wish to convert to SDR. To start the conversion, go to the sequence settings. Change the sequence settings to match your desired SDR output. Adjust the color space settings to ensure a proper HDR to SDR conversion. Use the Lumetri color panel to refine your color adjustments. Make any necessary corrections to brightness, contrast, and saturation. Preview the changes to ensure the quality meets your expectations. Once satisfied, export your video by going to the File menu. Choose the export settings that align with your SDR specifications. Click the Export button to complete the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.